Good morning, class 3rd. We were reading chapter 8 in EVS and the name of this chapter is Teeny Animals. In the previous classes we have seen that Ria was telling about insects. We have seen some features of insects. And now in this class we are going to read insects can be harmful. So students, open page number 49 in your EVS book and keep a pencil with you to underline hard words. Some insects bite or sting. They can cause pain. Some are even carriers of disease. What do you mean by carriers? Underline this word. CARRIERS. A thing that carries something. So number 1 in it, mosquito bite spreads disease like malaria and dengue. Number 2, house flies sit on garbage and rotten food. The germs from these things stick to their feet. These germs get transferred to fresh food items when the house flies sit on them. This contaminates. What do you mean by contaminates? Contaminates means makes dirty the food. When we eat this contaminated food, we get diseases like cholera and dysentery. So in the second point, you understood that the flies often sit on garbage and rotten food. Rotten means spoiled. That cause the germs to stick to their feet, and after that when the flies sit on clean and hygienic food, germs come out of the flies to hygienic food, and when we eat the contaminated food, then germs enter our body and we get diseases like cholera and dysentery. Ria wants to know, why should we not eat uncovered food? We should not eat uncovered food because it holds a lot of harmful germs which may cause various diseases to our body. Now come to the page number 50. Ria wants to know, cockroaches also contaminate food. Write one method your mother uses to keep the kitchen free of them. Now I am going to read the next point of insects can be harmful. Termites feed on wood and damage furniture, doors and other wooden items. Nest, bugs, wasps and lice bite us. This can cause itching and redness of the skin. Due to the bite of these insects, our skin becomes red and itching starts in the affected area. Next, locusts eat fully grown crops and damage them. Now, patterned insects that cause damage are also called pests. They can be removed from houses and offices by using various methods of pest control. Pest control means we can use some measurement by which we can control insects, germs and other harmful things. So students, that's all for today. In the next class we will understand about useful insects. Thank you class.